So at a weekly level, after six long weeks, it is showing a small correction for the first time. Not exactly the correction, but shooting star candle pattern at the top for the first time. It could. I mean, is it a start of the downtrend or not? We'll have to see next week. On a daily level, though, it is quite promising candle pattern or chart pattern which is forming at the top. And after this move, this hedging move for quite 6 weeks or so, I think it is for the first time showing some kind of intention of the market to make some correction, and that would be the theme for next week. Now, the reasons for these for this would be if it makes a correction move, then the reason for this would be the inflation data last week, CPI, PPI data last week, the start of negotiations for this Russia-Ukraine war, and a little bit of ease in the Trump's um, tariff war kind of thing. So as you guys might have noticed that he mentioned last week that it will be a reciprocative tariffs. What it essentially means is the rate of tariff that you impose on me, I will impose you the same rate. So it's a bit simple, a bit easy on the market. So probably if those assumptions are correct, then it could start a move towards correction. Or anyways, it is very very extended, so it should make a correction even if it wants to go up, right? Okay, so from that perspective, let's have a look at the levels that we would like to observe in the next during the next week. Let's go to the 4 hour chart, so it'll be easier for us to draw the those what you say levels. The first level would be where exactly it is sitting. So 2880 should be the first level that we need to take very very um, observe very keenly next week. If it doesn't want to go down, and if all those assumptions are wrong, and if it was just mm, organic dump on Friday in the second half, then it would take a support right here, and then it will start the upward journey again. So that is the first level that we will see and we will observe, and that will happen just on Monday, right? So on Monday, the U.S. market is closed. So maybe not even on Monday. Maybe on Monday it will just hang around here, and then on Tuesday it might go down. So anyway, let's see what happens on Monday. But as long as the next levels are concerned, let's see where is our next level. One is right there. So around 2830 will be our next right here. So next level we will observe will be 2830. After that, it should be right there somewhere. So 2780-ish, 80. So here, 2780. Yeah. So its next level would be 2780 that we'll have to observe next week. Here. Yeah. Right there. Um, for next week, is it good? Let's next is 2720 is next right there. If it breaks this level, then next is there, but that is far too long. So let's see. So for next week, I think we will observe these four levels very very keenly, and if it breaks, so what will happen is uh, either it will take support right here and it will start the upward momentum again. If it breaks this, it will take a support right there, and then from here it should start the upward momentum. If it breaks that also, then it will be a question whether it is starting a real correction. If it is, then it should I mean, if it is not, then it should definitely take a support right here at this level 2780, and if it breaks 2780, then it is a confirmed downtrend, right? But will that happen right next week? Uh, yes, maybe no. So next week is kind of very very good week to be observed, and because it might be the week that starts a correction move in gold. The other reason it might start a correction in the gold next week or after this move on Friday is that the banks and the institutions, or the smart money as they call it, they were targeting, or they were actually marketing or publicizing the target of 3,000 in gold this year. Now gold is near 2944.45. My question or my argument would be that they have taken the gold so far, and will they now wait for 3,000, or they will start offloading? Because now there is no incentive for them to take the gold to 3,000, because they'll have to pump a lot of more money to take it there. Instead, why not just offload to the retail traders like us? And then, because we still have the 3,000 mark in our mind, so up to 3,000 we will keep buying it. So they might start offloading their gold now, and then and take profits, and then just trap us right here. So be very very cautious next week, and look at these levels. If those levels does not hold or sustain, then be cautious while trading, and don't start buying in a FOMO uh, for that 3,000 level. So, Fred, this is the weekly analysis, and these are the levels that we will be working on next week. But for a daily view, daily analysis, you can join us every day live during the European session. If you have any questions or comments, you can come and talk to us during the live session. And for a weekly analysis video, we will see you next week once again. Until then, happy trading, and bye.